Happy Sunday everyone, it's Ant the AI old timer again here. I thought I'd sneak a quick video in because tomorrow is going to be Donald Trump's inauguration and I thought most people will be tied up with that. So a quick update because there's quite a lot of things have been going on yeah, it's how many days? I mean, I think it's week 2 of sort of fully in, and I've had to unplug because a lot of this AI agent stuff, I've been out of the field for quite a long time, actually many decades really, and not having worked in a traditional sense for a long time, a lot of the AI agents, I don't do a lot. I mean, to be honest, I have a really enviable life where it's pretty much stress-free and unfortunately my wife had a cancer scare during all of the lockdown thing, and one thing we decided there is that we needed a big life change, and so we sort of came up with a mantra, touch wood, she's cancer free now for 5 years, but we said if it's stressful we're not going to do it. And so we've tried to mitigate stress out of our lives, and as a consequence we have a very stress-free business and a very stress-free life. So as far as having AI agents do work for me and things like that, and reply to emails and yada yada yada, and workflow mitigation and automating things, I don't have a need. So I'm on an even more vertical learning curve as to how to apply all these bits to everyday life. So I decided to unplug from that because it was frazzling my brain. I dabbled for a couple of days with Zapier, but really couldn't wrap my head around it. That was actually even too difficult for me, and that's meant to be a good jumping in stage if you have no code or no experience or anything like that. So I thought, let's go back to basics and let's get back to the GPTs and have a little play around there. And I discovered another whatever you call them, GBT. Because I've only been using ChatGPT, but there's one called Claude. So for most of today, excuse me, need to wet my whistle. I haven't been talking much. I've been playing around on the computer, playing with my new friend Claude. For the life of me, can't remember the company that runs Claude, but if you Google Claude, I like Claude a lot, apart from the fact I'm on the free version, so after about 2 hours or something, or not even that it seems, it shuts down and you've got to wait 6 hours or 7 hours till you can actually chat to it again. So I'll probably end up paying for that because I really like it. It sort of helped me, and treated myself to going back to basics and just sort of typed in, I know absolutely nothing about AI. If you were a human, where would you start? Blah, 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 blah. And it was quite good fun. And what I think I might do, which I think might be fun, is pit ChatGPT and Claude against each other and ask them similar questions and see what they say, or even like what you can sometimes do in chess. If you're playing multiple players and you've got a good memory, is let the first person you play whites, think about that move, go to the next table where you're whites, play their move, and so on and so forth, which I thought might be quite good fun. So but in all of that, I thought to myself, because one thing Claude did sort of say, because I was telling him about my background and what I've done and who I am and what my skill set is, one thing is that I'm quite good at taking complex things or connecting dots where other people don't see them, and it said to me, oh, do you know what? You're like an AI horse whisperer, or an AI whisperer. I thought, oh, that's good. I like that. And being a bit of a creative, I thought, oh yeah, rather than the AI old timer, I could be the AI whisperer. But unfortunately, that was all taken. So the website was taken, the company was taken, and yeah, so pretty much done to death for actually quite a while. So I thought, okay, let me go to ChatGPT and have it check again that the AI old timer wasn't taken. And lo and behold, it is still up for grabs. The only thing it could find was my YouTube channel. Here we are. So I decided to jump in even further, and so I bought the domain name .com and .co.uk. I'm in the process of registering the company in the UK here. So yeah, that's my little update, and probably doesn't interest you one iota, but I thought I'd share that with you. And as said, we've got the Donald to look forward to tomorrow with his inauguration, and it certainly seems that his administration is a little bit more technologically friendly, certainly crypto friendly, certainly more than Starmer and his barmy army here in the UK. So yeah, well, that's all from me. That's just a quickie, just a sort of fun one. I think from time to time I'm going to throw these things in, yeah, let me know. Please subscribe if you're new. Put a comment in there of things you want me to cover. But I'm sort of thinking more and more I want to be an influencer. Certainly at this stage, I can probably consult a little bit. If you're a company and you're interested in finding out more, I'm going to be doing it for free, I think, for the first few months at the least. I don't think I could dare to charge anyone for the pittance of pea-brain knowledge that I've got at the moment. But if you think I know more than you do, I can certainly point you in the right direction. I'm connected to literally hundreds, if not thousands, of people from a developer stage and other companies. So I can certainly point you in the right direction. But in the meantime, let me know if you're enjoying these things, what other content you'd like me to cover. Fingers crossed, I've been invited to be on a panel at some point in the future to help interview someone who is actually an AI expert. So that should be an interesting progression of things. But yeah, well, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. And hopefully I'll have something equally as exciting in my next video. But thank you very much. Good night. Bye.